Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. I cannot wait to share with you what I found this week. It is a small but very mighty haul, and I'm so glad that you can join me today on this very first Thrift Store Thursday of the brand new year. I'm a little slow going this year. I'm kind of easing back into making videos. A lot of you have been concerned as to where I have been, what I've been up to, am I okay, by the amount of emails and DMs that I'm receiving over on Instagram. I'm totally fine. The family is totally fine. I just took a little break after everyone else went back to school and to work. After the Christmas break, I took myself some mama time. And I took about a week just to kind of chill, hang out. Because I don't know about you guys, but Christmas, as much as I love it, it is stressful and it is busy. And I never seem to have enough downtime. So I took myself some extra downtime, and I am slowly getting back into things. I'm not in a big rush to start anything this year, so I'm just kind of taking my time. So that is where I've been. Nothing earth-shattering or worrisome at all. Just going at a snail's pace, I guess you could say. So anyways, getting into today's haul, I have 3 items to share with you, and they are all fabulous. I'm completely in love and so excited to have found them. Now, I had to work hard for these 3 items. I have been to 6 or more thrift stores in the last couple weeks, like 6 different trips. And more often than not, I walked out of the store empty-handed. Either the stores weren't very stocked, or I was just really selective on what I was going to bring home, which is what I'm trying to do. My goal for this year is to not clutter my house up with a lot of stuff that I just am not going to use. So I'm trying to be good, and I'm trying to stick within my little parameters that I've made for myself as to what I can bring home. So I did a good job this week, even though I only have 3 things to share with you, but they're fabulous. So let's go ahead and share with you what, oh, you can't be on my Quinn's down here chewing on her bone and right against the camera leg. It's making the whole thing shake. Anyways, hopefully you can't hear her munching too much, but she's not barking, so I'm not going to disturb her. So anyways, let me show you what I found at the thrift store. The very first thing I have to share with you today is my very last Christmas item for this Christmas season. I wasn't going to pick up anything unless I absolutely fell in love with it, and you guys, I totally fell for this little item. It was $4.99, and it is the most adorable little Christmas teapot. You guys, look at this. I absolutely love it. I think it is so pretty, and look at all the little details. It's got a little bit of gold rimming and gold detailing, also down at the bottom. And then look at this little swag of greenery. I love that it's got the dark leaves, the little berries, and it's even got a little, what do you call that, pine cone on there. There is some writing on this side. If I had my glasses, I might be able to make that out, but I don't know. But anyways, I just thought that she was super cute, and I love the fact that she was, a little bit more petite and not a really large teapot. I just thought it was so adorable. So I had to pick it up. Did I tell you how much it was? It was $4.99. There is a marking on the bottom. It says Rosina Yuletide, made in England. So I think that's pretty cool. There's the little tag at the bottom. So yeah, I thought this was totally worth picking up for $4.99. Isn't it cute? I may put it out somewhere in my kitchen just for, a couple weeks or so as I'm still transitioning out of my Christmas stuff. Well, most of my Christmas stuff is picked up at this moment, but I feel like you could use this in the wintertime as well. So I'll probably use it just because I seriously don't want to wait until next year to use it. So I'm probably sticking somewhere cute in the kitchen. Maybe put some flowers in it. I don't really know. Maybe some greenery. I don't know. Maybe I'll just stick it in the kitchen somewhere and call it a day. That's kind of how I'm feeling lately. I'm just put something up. It'll be fine. I don't really care. Is anyone else like that? I'm I don't know why it is, but I'm just meh, whatever. Whatever works. All right. So then I found another piece. I'm always looking for some cool artwork that I feel looks vintage. Now this is just probably a reproduction print. It was $2.99 and it was from Goodwill, and I just fell in love with the colors and the you know, kind of old school look that it has. And it looks like this. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm loving the yellows and the blues. And then as you get closer, there's like a pheasant there sitting underneath a little bare tree with all the leaves on the ground. And I just think it is absolutely adorable. And I like that it's in like this old school, just plain old little wood frame, which is kind of, I've been really drawn to this lately. So I know I'll have to wait probably until fall to use this, but I was not going to pass it up. I think it is so cool. So that was a great find, if I do say so myself. All right, so that leads me to the very last item that I picked up this week, and I'm super excited about this. I know many of you probably remember that I love to collect vintage costume jewelry. In particular, I love finding rhinestones, bracelets, necklaces, earrings, all that kind of stuff. I love it all, and I have quite a collection of it. But I've also recently started to find a few rhinestone and black stone pieces that I have fallen in love with, and this week I found a beauty that was only $5.99, and it looks like this. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? I absolutely love it. I think it is just so pretty. So I am super excited to add this to my collection. I have no idea. I don't know. I'm assuming it's vintage. It's got kind of that older look to it, but I really don't know how to like date jewelry. It's probably something that I should learn, but I've yet to take the time to do that. So if any of you are knowledgeable in this sort of area, I would love to know what you know. Just give me a few tips and pointers. I would really love that. So, but anyways, regardless if it is actually vintage or not, it definitely has the look, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'll be adding that to my collection of vintage jewelry and vintage jewelry cases. So I'm loving that. So those are the 3 items that I found this past week. Like I said, a very short haul this week, but everything is absolutely wonderful, and I could not be more pleased. I would love to know down in the comments if you happen to get to the thrift store this week, what you found. So let me know down in the comments. And of course, if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.